Anyways, here we go. Filming with 2 frames per second.
To brake rapidly and eventually it straightened out the bike.
Okay, so we went a little bit too far to the right, hit the ground. We just knocked out our slider out the middle. It wasn't really attached very well, or there's a massive impact. So it looks like he fell off and the bike just kept going because it's perfectly balanced. Not good. Ghost Rider is the name, I guess. So going around a semi truck, can't see very much. Now we can. You see how the adjustment of the position helped out the line of sight? Just a little food for thought. Ooh, switching lanes a little bit quick. That guy's not doing very well. CDL driver. Come on, man. You should know better. But we did a good job applying the brakes. He's wearing full gear. Did very good progressive brake pressure. Found the hazard. Moved himself out of there. Let's see if this person needs to use progressive brake pressure too. No. Just got some people. Decent position for safety. Okay. This looks a little concerning. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Because you see how we can see around? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of here. He looked a little sketchy to me. He looked a little sketchy. You guys having a bad day. Rambo USMC, here we go, going around, having some fun. Very smooth, nice camera audio. No wind noise, really. Okay, intersections, watch out for anybody turning in front of you, which is going to be happening here. We all did great progressive brake pressure. Me thanking him for keeping me alert. Hey, that's fine. I love his attitude. There was a situation that caused him to do something. He's saying thank you for the training. I love that attitude.
In this situation, the biker decided not to let go and block the driver going the wrong way, thanks to which he might have saved someone's life.
No, I don't think so. I just think he's just, I mean, everybody would have seen it.
Well,
now we're just blocking traffic completely.
one way.
He knows it's a one-way. You go out of the way, let them out of there so they can get out of people's way. Now, we're all in everybody's way. So you see how this is kind of a dumb thing to do? Really stupid. I really don't like this, class. Don't do this. I am seeing this. Don't do this, everybody. It's not smart. You're in the roadway. You're gonna get hit in the rear end, and you're gonna get smashed between this car. What is he gonna do? Back up all the way? Really dumb. Should have just let him go in the first place. Fakera, I think that's the name. Here we go. Going around a corner. Oh, hit something, lost some traction. So did we. We dumped the bike. We're wearing gardening gloves. Not very smart. Let's check on our rider that did crash originally. Let's make sure they're okay. Looks like they are. Got a little bit of road. What are you wearing? 2 backpacks? Anyways. Wolf Designs. Truck being a donut coming in my lane. Evasive maneuvers incoming. Interesting. You just showed your age. Windows 95. Good job on the escape path. Moving out of the way. Okay, roads look a little wet. Maybe icy. Ooh, lost a little traction. A little bit of too much of that grip in the brakes. Don't be slamming those brakes, everybody. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands.
Even though many drivers had passed, only the biker decided to stop and help.
Okay, stop and help. Oh, so that's water vapor. That wasn't smoke. You can tell because there's a lot of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is gasoline, plastics. That's usually black smoke, which is incomplete combustion. If it's like pure white, it's usually wood. But when you see how it just dissipates, it doesn't. The smoke doesn't continue in the air. Since it's dissipating, that's water vapor. The water vapor just dissipates. So I love this. Okay, so you get to think injuries. Why did they go off the road? Is it a medical emergency that causes a trauma emergency? So you need to stay safe. I would have gotten my bike out of the way, out of the road. Call 911. This person's calling 911. I don't know where they came from. Maybe it was a passenger.
I bet you are. Stay close. I got you.
Elderly driver easily could have just lost control.
Just have a seat.
Yeah, don't.
Go down.
I love this. I didn't shut up.
Have a seat. I'll help you.
Naked Bike Duo. Doing a great job. We'll talk about that one when we come back. Okay, guys? So Clara Biner. I think that's the name. Okay, another injury. Just kidding. He's just changing the tire on a bicycle. Can't park there. I always like watching people in full leathers try to walk.
Ja.
Ja.
Die Polizei ist schon angerufen, aber das geht runter. Aber wissen wir das machen oder? Wenn wir es jetzt umwerfen, auf die Seite ist noch relativ viel Ganzes.
Ah, jetzt ist er schön hingelegt.
Kinder hochheben und drehen.
Kriegt die Zündung gar nicht aus, ne?
Just changing the tire, you know, draining the fluids out of the gas tank. Full gear though.
Okay. Erstmal hoch. Hinter beim
Hey, does anybody else think motorcycle gear does look really cool though? Like full leathers, doesn't it look really cool? It's honking its own horn.